guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a new video for you guys. This is actually going to be something that I've never done on my channel, and I'm super duper excited. So just to let you guys know before we get started that this is actually a collab with Sarah from the Mama Lounge. She has a awesome YouTube channel, awesome Instagram. She's always supporting other mamas. I absolutely love her and adore her. We've been following each other for a very long time here on social media. She does lifestyle videos. She actually has like more hauls, grocery, clothing hauls, unboxings. So you guys should definitely go and check her out. Me and her are actually getting together today to show you guys our Stitch Fix boxes. We are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing, and this is gonna be my first one. This is my second box I've gotten. And I did my first unboxing kind of on Instagram stories. It wasn't really an unboxing, but I shared what I wore. And this time I'm gonna do the full video for you guys just to kind of share with you guys the company and the clothes I pick and all of that fun stuff. I haven't even looked at them. This is the box. What Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription box. So all it does is it takes $20 from your account every month, and that is the styling fee. And you get your own personal stylist that is going to style or put clothes in your box according to your style and your taste. The $20 styling fee actually applies to everything that you order. So if I pick just one thing out of this whole entire box, say it's 50 bucks, 20 of it comes from that styling fee, and I'm only paying 30. So it's kind of crazy that you get to pay for you're temporarily paying for a stylist, and then you're getting the money back and deducting it from your total cost of your items. This isn't a sponsorship, but I do have a link down below that can get you guys like a discount on your first order. Maybe it was $20, but I'll find out for sure. I'll have that link down below, so then if you want a few dollars off and you want to check them out and try your first box or try it one time, then you got the deal there. So the first thing that they do include is a pre-packaged or pre-posted little return bag here. So you can put the clothes in there. You don't have to pay anything extra. Then you get some like literature. I will read you. This is the paper that shows the cost of everything and like the company, the brand, all of that stuff. And then also it comes with this little, I'm dropping things. It comes with this little card here. I will show you guys up close, but it just has like different styling ideas. So say if they sent me like this top right here, you can pair it with this skirt or these jeans, certain things that you might already have in your closet or things they've sent you in previous boxes. So the first thing that we are gonna start with is, I love these. Okay, so these are by the brand Goodyear. They have 3 beautiful little earrings. These are more stud-like the ones I have in my ear right now, which is definitely my taste because I like a simple taste sometimes and like a sporty taste, but I am trying to get out of my shell. These are definitely like a simple taste, very classy. They have some gold on them. So at the end, just to let you guys know, I will mention the products I'm actually keeping and the ones that I'm sending back. So you guys just have to wait till the end to find out. But for now, I'll go ahead and tell you the prices of each product and show you guys each product. They are Ivy 3-piece stud set in gold, and they are by Goodyear, and they are $28. Ooh, I'm excited. So these are looking like I can transition these clothes into fall, which is really nice. So here is this top right here. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you. So it is called it says Stitch Fix exclusive on the tag. It's by French Gray with the E, and it's just burgundy. So I absolutely love this. I realized once I put it on, it's an actual romper, which I love rompers. They're like my new favorite pieces. And then the price for this one is $48. Okay, so this top right here, I was a little confused about. At first when I seen it, I loved it, I really liked it. But once I put it on, I didn't know how to really tie the front where it really secures and hides my chest. I know I can put something underneath it, and I think it would look beautiful on somebody else. It makes me kind of feel top heavy, but my hubby liked it. He liked it a lot, so I don't know. By Collective Concepts, it's a Nada wrap front top, and it's in white and medium. So the next thing I'm going to show you is another top. You guys, I fell in love with this as soon as I took it out of the box. I thought it was super cute, and the reason why is because I like the cut shoulders. It's basically a short sleeve. It has this little, like, the same sleeve as that one. I don't know what you'd call it, like a ruffle or something. Let me know in the comments if you know what you would call this sleeve, how it kind of dangles on your right here, short sleeve. But when I put it on, I don't really like the fabric. This fabric is very, like, if you have a job or you work in an office or you're a teacher, I think that it would be really nice. Like, the material is very nice, and it's like kind of cool a little bit, so you're not going to get too hot in it. I think the floral print on the black is beautiful. It's actually my favorite. I really, 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 really love this shirt. I just don't know if I love it on me. This is by Fortune and Ivy, and it's Anway cold shoulder top, black, medium, and it's $36. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you are these shorts right here, and the shorts, I really like these shorts. They are by Just Black. They, at first when I seen them, I didn't really like them because to me they look kind of faded. I'm wearing black shorts today, and I don't know if I didn't really like care for the faded look. I thought they might look old or grungy. I'm a little unsure if I purchase these, are they gonna fade more? But I do like the frayed. This is like frayed right here. I like that part. That's kind of my style. If I'm not trying to be too classy and I'm just trying to be like more edgy, I do like frayed bottoms like this. So I'm still considering these, and it depends on what the price is because I haven't even checked the price for the rest of the clothes. So let me go ahead and tell you, $58. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the paper here. I decided that I am going to go ahead and keep the romper, which is $48. So anyway, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this first Stitch Fix box or unboxing. Let me know in the comments if this is something you guys want to continue to see. I really enjoy making the video for you, so hopefully you guys enjoy watching it. Let me know below if you've tried Stitch Fix before. I would love to hear your thoughts and things like that, or if you make any Stitch Fix videos, I would love to come check out yours and kind of support you and see the pieces that you got too. So don't forget to check out Sarah's video and what her stylist styled her. Also, my stylist's name was Sarah. So my stylist is Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. I think you did amazing. I really love all the pieces that you gave me. They were totally me, but thank you. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.